Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm gonna come home and show you the ring that I finally picked up today, and I'm so excited about it. If you watch my previous vlogs, I've been on a hunt for this item for so long. And also I have another box that was given to me by my lovely SA, a gift from DCA, and I'm very excited to unbox it for you guys. By the way, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. So here is the card. This is from VCA. This is so sweet of my SA. She's so nice. Probably one of the nicest SAs I've ever had. And she knows that I'm not drinking, so she helped to replace the champagne with the tea, which is so lovely. And there are some sweets as well. So nice. I really like the box. I think I'm gonna keep it for my jewelry. It's really cool. And what do I have here? Let's check. Oh, it's a charger. That's actually very useful. I always need it in the office. I'm just gonna keep this one at work so I don't have to worry about it. By the way, guys, I'm recording now and it just got so dark. I checked outside and it seems like we have an eclipse here in Singapore. So yeah, it's amazing, just exactly as I started filming it, but oh well. Moving on, here I have some candies which are so cool. Let me show you. Wow, this is so nice. I really like stuff like that. This is so special. And the flavors are really cool. I love gula melaka, it's my favorite. Brown sugar with pandan, I love it. And other flavors are pretty cool too. This is really nice. It's so sweet of VCA. By the way, guys, I never got anything from Chanel, not even for my birthday, nothing, which is very disappointing. I think customer service makes such a big difference. Honestly, like, I don't even feel like entering to Chanel. Okay, who am I kidding? I still love the brand. I love Chanel. And I'll be still buying from them, but I just will not be buying from them here as much as I used to. Because what's the whole point? It's not like I've been appreciated as a customer. Anyway, sorry for the rant here, but it's just what I'm thinking right now. Anyway, moving on. I also have a tea here which is so nice. I can't wait to try it. It's so sweet of my SA. Like, it just makes such a great difference when you have a really nice SA and you are like a friend with them. It's so amazing. I'm also planning to get smaller frivole earrings so I can wear them very often. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please feel free. I will unbox them. Well, I will pick them up first very soon and then I will film the unboxing video. Moving on to the unboxing, I'm so excited to show the ring. I'm so excited to finally have it and I'm gonna use it so often. By the way, here is the certificate of authenticity. I have showed it in one of my previous videos. I don't want to bore you guys, but it's always the same. It always goes with all the VCA purchases. And also I was given a receipt. Obviously it's here. I will not open it because it has my confidential information, but it's here. And I will unbox the ring for you guys. By the way, guys, I have previously posted quite a few VCA related shopping vlogs and some unboxing videos as well. I will link them down below so you guys can check them out. And I will also film my VCA collection soon after I get the earrings, I think, and I will talk about my most favorite pieces and how often I use them. I love VCA packaging, it's so nice. And revealing the ring, it's so stunning. I really love it. I'm so happy to finally have it in my collection. I didn't get it in a size 45 like I wanted, but size 48 is actually okay, and I would have to wear it on the middle finger, which is fine. I mean, there's nothing that I can do. It's not very bright outside, so you can't actually see how it reflects the light, but it's amazing. And I will try it on. So I wanted initially to wear it on this finger, but I think I would have to get like a small ring to keep it there tighter so it doesn't move around. I could still technically wear it there, just like here. It has to be a different ring, obviously, but it would secure it and it won't move around. I mean, the things I need to do to wear the ring, but at least there is a solution if I want to, which is great. But I think most of the time I would have to wear it on the middle finger. But yeah, it's such a stunning ring. It still looks okay here, but somehow I think it looks a lot more elegant on this finger. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section below. I'm very curious to see what you're gonna say. I really think Frivole collection is so beautiful. It's just stunning. And when I will get the smaller earrings, this ring will look perfect with them. It will look like a set because the size of the smaller earrings is like this small flower. So it would look perfect with them. And it obviously looks great with my other earrings. I will link down the unboxing video of this ones in case you want to check it out. I really love this. They are my most used earrings ever, and I do wear them to work, but sometimes if I go to gym on the same day, for example, I just feel uncomfortable. I feel like I need to have smaller pair so I don't have to take them off all the time. Eventually I want to get Frivole in a small size in white gold. Unfortunately, there is no these earrings in a large size. I didn't see it on the website either, but I would want to collect them too. I don't know if VCA can actually customize them, but yeah, I really love this range. It's my favorite collection ever. And you can see how sparkly they looked in the store with that light. It's incredible. I just love the way Frivole is reflecting the light. It's really beautiful. You can see it a mile away. It's really sparkly, stunning. I just have to remind myself to wear my other jewelry because I love this one so much. I wear them so often. I keep on forgetting about my Alhambra collection, which is not a good thing. And yeah, so I have to rotate them quite often. And I think eventually I would like to add this ring to my collection as well, so I could create a nice stack with 3 of them. But I think that ring has to be in a very small size if I can even get it in the size that I need. I think after that my Frivole jewelry collection would be complete. I wouldn't be adding any bracelets or necklaces from this range. These are the things that I love: the earrings, the ring, and that's it. My essay also gave me a pouch, which is so cute. I love the size of it. It's so convenient, and when I'll be going to the gym, it will be so easy for me to put it in there and fit in my Chanel bags, which is so useful. I'm also traveling very often, so it's super convenient for me to have it with me, so I know that it won't get scratched in my bags or some other objects, which is very important. And I think I could also fit it in a big pouch together with the earrings, which is useful. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked my ring and enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know if you have any questions, and do consider subscribing to my YouTube account. I post quite a few videos. I post once a week, every week, at least once a week, and I talk about jewelry, fashion and style, my Chanel bags, and I also have travel videos, so please feel free to check it out. And do consider subscribing to my Instagram account. I post outfits of the day, I post jewelry that I like or considering buying, and I also post updates via Insta stories. By the way, my account is exactly the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. Thank you so much, guys, for watching once again. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!